So we're going to be driving down to Bowling Green, Kentucky for Import Alliance. It's the 2021 spring meet. They moved it from fall to spring for some venue issues going on with Atlanta. But we're leaving right now. It is 10 p.m. We're going to be getting there around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. So we're going to head out. I'll catch you guys when we're there. Alright guys, we just made it to Bowling Green. The 4-hour drive is over. Everyone else is already up in the room. I came back to roll up the window of my car because I forgot to, and to grab like one or two more things. I'm ready to go to bed. It is fucking 3:30 in the morning. Time for a good 4 hours to sleep. Alright guys, it is 7:30. I slept for a good 4.5 hours. I'm the only one awake right now. Everyone else is still conked. I'm gonna go wash my car. It's gonna rain today, but only for like 10 minutes. So hopefully I can go wash my car, wax it, and it should be fine. And then I'll go ahead and dry it off while we're at the event. But we should be good after it rains for just a few minutes. Look at this awesome CRX next to me. Look over here. This is a dope ass Civic. Like, this is a really cleanly built Civic. I'm excited, guys. Drop this phone off the balcony. What's my insurance?
Issues with the car. Previous owner took apart the engine, put it back together, said couldn't figure out what was wrong with it. So no.
Well, made them more lines. My car's overheating, so that's fun. Like, it's overheating bad. Alright, got the system all bled out. Luckily, she's not overheating just yet. So before we leave, I'm gonna grab a whole bunch of coolant and make it the 4 hours back, dripping the whole way there. Looks like it's time for a new cooling system, guys. But no, we were just waiting in line, and friend Shelby goes, "Hey, your car's smoking." I'm like, "What do you mean?" I look over, it's fucking smoking out the hood. And I'm like, "How long has that been going on?" She's like, "I don't know, it's been going on for a little bit." I'm like, "What do you mean?" So, yeah, cool. I am officially a fucking rally car. Let's go. Subarus ain't got shit on Lexus. So we just got back to my car to eat, and someone put this little SC300 pin on my wipers. This is so cool. Alright guys, so we're gonna start grilling. There's a grill already here. I don't know whose it is, but I'm using it as a table for this grill. I'm gonna go put my phone away so it charges, and then we're gonna eat, and then head back to the event. All right, guys, it's day 2. It's 7 a.m. I just loaded up all my stuff in the car. We woke up at like 6. I finally got everything loaded in because everyone else is still passed out. I'm gonna go take a shower. Gonna go wash my car, and then we're gonna head to the show. We're gonna try sneaking into the showcase with a couple other people who were in the showcase. So that's gonna be fun. Ooh, look at those brand new C8s. God, I want one. Well, we're overheating again. That's cool. And we're not even in the event yet. Done. We did it. It's on there. Super windy, but we're trying grilling out. It smells delicious over here. Set that bitch on there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
All your seasonings on the outside.
Alright guys, it's time for me to head out from Airport Alliance. I left my hood open because the car was overheating. I just started something with a bunch of 2Js. They're all IS300s and I felt weird. Like 2J, 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 2J. But they're all IS300s and I'm just like, hello. Well, we at least made it into town. About 5 minutes away from my house, so we're here. The weekend's over. I'm done. I'll catch you guys in the next one.